कमांडो जेडे ने जीप नो डिसमेंटल कर रहे ने लाइक एक पूजा जेडा ने एक कमांडो जेडे ने डिसमेंटल करन की लाइक चेसी जेडा अलग कर देंगे टायर अलग कर देंगे इंजन अलग कर देंगे।
When faced with an obstruction, instead of stopping in their tracks, the team takes a split-second decision. Their actions will speak volumes of their resolve towards successful completion of the task entrusted to them, their nerves of steel in a high-pressure situation, and the quality training they undergo. Now, the multi-gypsy in front of you will be dismantled up to chassis level and assembled back to running condition in a cohesive and a sequential manner. The vehicle weighs 1.2 tons. The half-ton engine block, which is otherwise lifted using a pulley and chain system in a workshop, is lifted manually by our fit soldiers, carried over rough terrain and put in place without affecting serviceability. If the boulder cannot be moved, the vehicle will. Watch closely as the team, unmoved by hindrance blocking their path, proceeds to take apart their transport, carry it literally piece by piece, assemble it and continue towards their objective. The drill shall also display the quick and crisp movements of the trainees and their ability to perform accurately within the constraint of time. The speciality of this drill is that the entire activity is performed by a group of young air warriors who have just passed out of their training from the Mechanical Transport Training Institute, Avadi. The participants of this drill are LAC Rohit Kumar, LAC Ankush Singh, ACs Vishal Singh, Navdeep Singh, Sahil Nehra, Anmol Tyagi, Pankaj Barwar, Ranjan Sharma, Yogesh, AS Rathod, SK Sharma and AC Bunty Singh. Even though the entire activity is showcased in front of hundreds of watchful eyes, the trainees are continuing with their tasks unhindered. They have been trained under the expert guidance of Wing Commander R. Pradeep and team of instructors JW Chirag Bhatia, JW Suman Kumar, JW A. Singh and Kopal K. Naveen. An enhancement in confidence and professional acumen has been observed in these trainees after every successful completion of this drill. This entire exercise aims not to display the modus operandi of our soldiers, but their sheer resolve when they set out about their mission. The team has now successfully completed assembling the vehicle, and as you can observe, it is back to running condition.
मैकेनिकल ट्रांसपोर्ट ड्रिल टीम अब अपने कार्य को निपुणता के साथ संपन्न करके वापस चल चुकी है। जिस प्रकार इन्होंने इस 1.2 टन के वाहन को मात्र 5 मिनट में खोलकर पुनः सम्मिलित किया और चलने योग्य बनाया, वह न केवल ड्रिल के रूप में सराहनीय है, बल्कि युद्ध के दौरान भी अत्यंत उपयोगी सिद्ध होता है।
Please give a big round of applause to these young and energetic air warriors.